If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach.
Welcome back to the channel. It is December the 31st and it's 9:58. Earlier on, I seasoned up some turkey because I will be making honey glazed jerk turkey wings. I put it in the fridge to chill overnight, so I'll be cooking that tomorrow. It's also Vybz Kartel concert tonight. I'm gonna go to the kitchen in a bit. I am gonna make a charcuterie board so I can have something to snack on to bring in the new year. My battery is dying. I'm gonna change my battery and then I'll meet you guys in the kitchen.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. Call me when you need some. Call me when I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my love. You took my love. I keep crying. I keep trying. I'm for you. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some. I keep crying. I keep trying for you. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you keep trying for you. Hey.
Alright guys, so it is 11:10. I finished making my charcuterie board. It is so pretty. So I found a live where I can watch the Freedom Street on TikTok. I'm gonna pour myself a drink and we are gonna enjoy Freedom Street tonight, baby.
For you. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need some love. Call me when you keep trying for you. Hey.
Guys, so Kartel is on! Bop, 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 bop! Shout out to my pretty dollar sign! You know who's that? No. Vybz Kartel, the one and only, the great.
For my area, on a million so. When you get them pressure. But them a lot so she share love, no ya power love. Nobody go do as I done too much. And it's about passion, shallow more. Kapo love, my passion love. It's still the live, it's still the all. Happiness, 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 happiness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Molly. Happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Woo! Happy New Year! Let me eat my 12 grapes.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body, my body.
gone.